What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thanks for coming back and chilling out with your boy yet one more time. You know how valuable it is to me. You know how important it is to me, and you know how much I love each one of you. I want to say hello to somebody that may be in here for the first time, kind of give you the gist of what this channel is about. This is my YouTube channel, BeardSWAG. My name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded community. I have an Instagram channel that is _BeardSWAG_. If you'd like to go over there and give me a follow as well, you're more than welcome. Welcome to the family. This is a channel that my foundation is Jesus Christ. I love to minister to people. I love to show love, support, positivity, respect and kindness, joy, peace, pride, all of those good things. I love to put them in these videos. But we're here for beard product. We're here for beard product reviews and to share with you the things that I get and that I use on my bearded journey. And that's what I want to share with you on this channel. I'll also do, I guess, little videos on, and big time on my Instagram channel. I have a rec tech, and I'll probably put a photo of it right here. How about right there? Bo Raxon is what I call him. But we'll get into that later. I want to get into this video. I want to do this unboxing for you. I've already unboxed everything, but I want to share it with you. So sit back, relax. If you're into this and you enjoy what you see here, right down below, there is a subscribe button. There is a reminder bell. There is a thumbs up or a thumbs down at any time during this video. If you would, please smash those buttons for me. It helps my channel grow, gets me into the algorithms. But without further ado, family, enjoy the intro. I'll be back in just a minute. What is going on, family? Cribs here. Welcome back. Got me some coffee. Let's rock and roll. Company I want to share with you today, family, we're just going to dive right into it, is Wildschwein Beard and Grooming. Great labels. Let me get my head out of the way. You got your directions and you got your ingredients. Amazing oil. I already did a video on the Oud to the Gods. I'll have a card up above here so you can go back and see my Oud Stank video, so you guys can get kind of the impressions of what I thought there. Amazing oil. Very nice and clean. Love the drips. Very clean oil. Great scent profile. These are not the loudest scent profiles that I have ever had before. I can just tell off of this one and the other one that I am rocking this morning for the first time. But amazing. Let me tell you what's in. Let's go. $17.99 for the oil. All their oils are $17.99, and I've got a discount code for you as well, 20% offer. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, SWAG20 will save you 20%. Nope, that's the wrong one. Let's go. I got that one. Let's go Oud to the Gods. Looks like they're normally $20, but right now they're $17.99, and with another 20% off, that's some pretty good savings. Has a rich scent, and this is Oud to the Gods, of oud, tonka, bergamot with vanilla, lemon, and lavender afternotes. It's an amazing, relaxing, pure joy of a scent profile, family. It's not loud and it's not subtle, but it's a subdued kind of a profile that lasts all day long. Feel and beard is amazing. But let's just get out of there. I got it in the oil and in the balm. And my mistake of last video that I made, I called this a butter. I didn't really pay attention. So I used it as a nighttime butter. And as you can tell, you can see why. It's got some beeswax in it, but besides that, it was great for nighttime as well. I think what I will do is add a couple of drops of oil extra into this until he makes his butter, which is coming out soon, and then just put it in for the nighttime routine so I can have that, or choose me something else to put in. It smells so good, guys. Now, next one is the vanilla cigar. You can see different kind of a hog on there. more of a sophisticated. Same label, same bottle. Let's go in here, vanilla cigar. It reminds me of, if you guys have tried Iowa Beard Co., the tobacco bitters, the spicy vanilla bourbon is exactly, it's a lot like that scent profile that it has. It's vanilla cigar, has the spice scent of flavored cigar with the vanilla afternotes. Amazing, and that's the one I'm rocking today. Ooh. Delicious is what I've got to say. Sophisticated, very soothing, very warm. I love the scent profile. And again, it's not that loud, stanky stank, but it's perfect. I love it. I love the way that these subdued smells right here are just really relaxing and calming, I guess you could say. I really enjoy it. Jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, apricot kernel oil, argan oil, and essential oils. Same. Next, but not last, but next. And I haven't tried this one yet. It's the Cedar and Saddle. You can see different hogs, so he goes with different themes. I haven't warmed this up. I haven't even smelled this one yet, guys. So good. Let me warm it up. Well, let me just show you the oil too. It's a light to a medium. Light medium. Warm this up for you. And for me. Oh yeah. Gee, many Christmas. So good. I get that leather out of it. Man, that's a manly scent, guys. Where is this one so we can break this down too? Cedar and Saddle. Oh man, that's good. I really like that. So this one, Cedar and Saddle, has a masculine scent of rich leather, earthy cedar afternotes. 100% right on the money. And I know that's going to change in profile too, so that's good. Amazing masculine scent profile right here. I got it in the oil and the balm as well. Everything is oil and balms here, guys. Next one is the aged bourbon. I love the themes. Same bottle. Oh, let's just get this in. Warm this one up. Get it on a different hand. Ooh, I can smell that already. Oh, 4 out of 4, family. That one's making my mouth water. Let's see here, where are we at? Aged bourbon. Definitely bourbony. There's kind of a afternote to it. Let's see what it says. This scent goes down like glass on a warm bourbon without the burn. Aged bourbon has the woody scent of an aged bourbon barrel minus the alcohol, followed up with smooth sandalwood. That's what it is. See, I can kind of tell after a while I probably wouldn't like this one due to the fact that it has sandalwood in it, and I'm not a sandalwood fan. But that's a cologne scent profile. Definitely a cologne. I don't know. I'll have to get it. I don't think I'm going to like that one because I know after a while they smell really good up front, but then that sandalwood will creep through and that sandalwood just takes over. In my opinion, in all the profiles, the sandalwood just takes over and it just does something to me that I don't like. But it smells good. It smells good right now. So, but he's got quite a few. Let me just read you off the list. The aged bourbon, which I just told you out. The bay rum. Big Island Blend. I think I would really enjoy that one. Nikki would probably like that. I might have to get that one next. Cedar and Saddle, which I've told you about. Citrus and Sage, which I may be a new Sage fan here. That may be another good one. Fresh and Clean. And you've got Haunted Harvest and Mr. Hyde's Ride. So that's what I've got. Oh, hold on. Oud of the Gods and then Valor of Vengeance. Boy, he's got quite a few. Vanilla Cigar, Voodoo on the Bayou. Let me go back here and just see what this Big Island one is about, yo. We got to see what this is. I know it's a citrusy, coconutty. Big Island Blend is a tropical pineapple scent with toasted coconut and vanilla afternotes. That's definitely one I've got to dive into. Ingredients. Let's go back to, I've already told you the oil. Let's go back. That's what I love about this menu as well, too, to go through and shop products, Beard Balm. Everything's laid out for you. I got one more thing for you to share. Actually, two things, so hold tight. Let's go here. Let's go into the ingredients of, because it's too small on the bottle. I can't read it. Ingredients is shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, jojoba butter, argan oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, fragrance. So that's why it really confused me, and I didn't recognize that this was a balm and not a butter. If he was just to take the beeswax out of this, you'd have your nighttime butter. With the shea butter, the coconut oil, the cocoa butter, jojoba butter, and all the rest of it, just take that beeswax out and it'd be amazing. For nighttime, it already is. I'm not downplaying it. Yeah. So out of all of them, I really enjoy. Aged bourbon, I'm probably not going to put in my beard just due to the fact I'm not a sandalwood guy. There was another one that Crush's Creation that I did too with his A Cut Above. It was good off the bat, but then that sandalwood came through and I could not do it. I cannot do sandalwood. So, one thing that he sent me that I want to share with you as well is his conditioner / co-wash, just a conditioner. And he sent it to me in the vanilla cigar, which I'm going to use. Spice scent, it tells you the ingredients are all on here. The labels are amazing. Oop. Filled to the rim. I don't think you can. And that looks like it's going to be a thick consistency. I like that. So I'm going to have to use that too. So there's my unboxing. I'm going to give this stuff a try. SWAG20 is your discount code, family. And I'll come back probably with a review. I don't mean to be yelling in the microphone. Come back with a review. I got 3 days, so probably on Wednesday or Thursday, I'll have a review on this. I'll use his co-wash. And let me see how much his co-wash is so you can see that as well. Because this isn't a shop products. Co-wash. You got combos on there you can get. It looks like it's $19.99, and this is an 8 ounce, I do believe. Yep, 8 ounces. Use your SWAG20 code. I'll be back and tell you about the Feelin' Beard. So far, I can tell you, I got the oil in today, and it's amazing. One more thing I wanted to share with y'all. I love to bring things that I find. I found this on Amazon. This is a carbon fiber comb. Let me get my Chicago comb out here so I can show you. Okay? White teeth. Thick on the backside of it. It's from Main Jack, so type in Main Jack and you guys will be able to find this carbon fiber comb. Glides right through the beard. I love that. And guess what? It's only $5.99. So $6. I just ordered a couple more. Love my combs. I wanted to bring that to you as well. Main Jack. Make sure you go do it. I won't have it linked down below, so just go on to Amazon and find it. So I guess that's what I got for you, family. So this is my unboxing of Wildschwein. Killer decals too. Let me go back and fish a little bit here for you. I want to just go through this website with you just for a minute more. Shop products, beard oil, beard balm. He's got pomade, co-wash. You got hand sanitizer. He's got apparel, which I'll have to look at. Let me just tell you how much the combos are. If you get a combo, family, $34.99. Take the 20% off and save you some cash. It looks like right now we sold out of one, the Bay Rum. Everything else looks legit. Let's go back and see his lids. I got to see what kind of apparel he has. Come on, Jake. I see shirts, face masks. Do I see any lids? Nope, no lids. But he's got some pretty killer t-shirts on here, guys. So, as always, family, I love you. I'm proud of you. You got the gist of what I'm going to be going through, and I'm going to tell you the longevity of using this for 3 or 4 days straight. Actually, 4 days straight, maybe 5, and I'll get back to you and tell you what I think about it. And I will go ahead and aged bourbon, even though it has sandalwood in it. I'm going to rock it to see if it's any different from anything else, because you got to try stuff. You got to dive in. So as always, family, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody you're proud of them. Go lift somebody up. Go give somebody some forgiveness. And as always, God bless.